Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning certain parts of my home and definitely speed cleaning certain areas as well. My oven is past due for a clean. Here are some of the products that I'm going to be using to try to give my oven a shine. It does have some stains, but they are progress stains. If you like cleaning videos like this, subscribe to my channel and tap the little bell so every time I upload, you will be notified. I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Now let's get started. guys, so I had to put this in normal time. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that we just bought a baby chick that you see running around, and Daniel over here trying to catch him and be mean to him. But we bought a baby chick, which is a male, so it's going to be a rooster. And my husband decided to name him Paco. Yes, Paco. How Mexican is that? So we got this new rooster, this baby chick that's going to be a rooster. He's a part of our family now, and he's just the cutest little thing. I think it's so funny to have a pet chick, but we love him, and I just thought I'd show you guys him real quick. So I am using just a magic eraser, and on this part of the wall, the blue painted side, it was coming off. The permanent marker was coming off, and then I started scrubbing on the white door. The pencil markings were coming off perfect, but the permanent marker on the white door was not coming off. Like, I was scrubbing so hard, you guys. I turned the camera off and tried, and it just wasn't working. So this is method number 2. I heard toothpaste is supposed to help. Literally scrubbed for 2 seconds and there was nothing. I couldn't get it. Then I tried the alcohol spray, and it was kind of rubbing it off, like making it lighter, but it wasn't coming off. And I tried a few other things, few other methods, could not do it. The wall definitely won on this. So if anyone has any tips or tricks for me, please leave them down in the comments. I would highly appreciate it. And we are coming to the end of the video. I'm just showing you some of the after shots now. So if you liked today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.